because we're gonna make some cool slime. It's really fluffy slime. I've never made slime before. Here and a special glitter glue. It's really sparkly. Step 1 is pour the glitter into the bowl. Whoa. 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 Ew. Feels like gooey. Ew. It's not coming down. It's getting out. I think that's all of it. I'm just putting the lid back on. It's got on me. You have to shake the slime activator. I got these for my birthday. The next step is 3 teaspoons. I need to open. See if I can get this one. I can't do it. It's too hard to do it. Whoa. It's so much. Now we need to put it in there. Oh. One more. Ew. Scrape the rest off. Next step is mix it really good. Yeah. It got on me again. Ew. The next step is adding a little bit more activator. To kind of like chocolate too. It's really fun doing it. Ew. Look, it looks like do you think it's ready? The last step is to mix it with my hands. Look at it! Love how it pops. You can make a bubble with this. Look at my hands. Do you want to have a bit, Ollie? Yeah. Do you want to have a bit? Yeah. Can you hold the bowl for me? Yeah. Ollie. Yeah. Let's try to stretch it. Ew. Can I have a go now, Ollie? Stick. Ah! Get it off. Get it off. Ew. I'm trying to get all of it in the bowl. Ew.